Hey, first-time homeowners, if you want your epoxy garage floor to keep that squeaky clean sheen, you need to be cleaning it quarterly. Oh, also, that rubbery coating on your garage floor making it stylish and slick is epoxy. Don't look so guilty, your parents probably didn't know this either. Then again, these are the same people who still think you need to change your car's oil every 3,000 miles. Google it. But since its old-timey beginnings in commercial and industrial buildings, epoxy floors have gained popularity in residential homes in recent decades due to their high-sheen finish and durability, turning raw concrete garages into a pleasant place to park it. Pleasant, that is, as long as you remember to clean them at regular intervals to keep them looking fresh and scratch-free from debris. Here's how. Sweep or vacuum up dust and debris that can soil and scratch the surface. Fill a bucket with warm water. Add just a squirt of mild liquid detergent. Grab a mop and start scrubbing. Give special attention to stubborn stains. Be sure to rinse the mop periodically as you move from section to section. Now it's time to rinse. You could spray it out with a hose, but if you prefer to mitigate the spread of water, dump your dirty bucket, rinse it out in the sink, refill it with water, go over the floor again a second time to wash away any soapy residue. Once you're done rinsing, use a microfiber push mop to dry it all off, making sure to soak up any puddles that have formed. And there you have it. Your epoxy garage floor and your conscience are clean. Oh, and if you need a reminder to do this every 3 months, just do it every time your parents get their oil changed.